Hey y'all, I'm Amanda with Lovecrafted Decor. So today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little jar using the pickle jar. This is one of the larger pickle jars, and I put some dried pressed flowers all on the inside of the jar this time, and then I added in some little eggs. This was voted on by my Facebook page followers, so I couldn't decide between the little eggs in here or these little bunnies that I got from Walmart, and the majority said that the little eggs look better, which I do agree because they're a lot lighter, but this is another alternative that you'll see in the video, and you can let me know down in the comments which one you like best. So we're starting off with some dry pressed flowers. I got these off of Amazon. I will link them down below for you guys. And for our jar, we're using a large pickle jar, some chunky glitter that I got from Walmart, and we're also using Mod Podge. This is what we'll use to attach our flowers as well as our glitter on the inside of the jar. So normally I put my dry pressed flowers on the outside of the jar. This time I decided to try to do everything on the inside of the jar, which was honestly a lot more challenging. I've never tried to do them on the inside of the jar like this before, but now that I have, I think I'm going to stick with doing them on the outside of the jar just because this is already kind of tedious to do to begin with. And it just made it extra challenging trying to get the flowers to stick on the inside and then also layer over top of them. But it's also some benefit of having them on the inside as well because it keeps them protected, so I don't have to worry about them getting scratched off. So it really just depends on which way you prefer to do it. And if you're new to pressed flowers, all you need to do is just do a little layer of Mod Podge, and then you put your flower onto that and then paint over your flower with Mod Podge, and that seals it to the jar. So what I was going for here was to kind of have like a little window or a little border around the front of them with the pressed flowers that you look into the jar with, and then flowers surrounding the bottom and the back side of the jar. So it usually takes several hours for this to completely dry, and how you'll know it's dry is all of the Mod Podge will dry completely clear. So I did want to add a little chunky glitter to mine to kind of give it a little sparkle. So first I'm just doing a little thin layer of Mod Podge on the inside of the jar, kind of around the bottoms and a little bit up the edge, basically just anywhere I wanted the glitter to stick to. So because I was a little heavier on the Mod Podge, I had to leave this overnight for it to completely dry. So this is how it looked the following day once it was completely dry. You'll see it's all sparkly on the inside. It's just a really cute little touch to add to it, especially once you add in some fairy lights. So in the video, I stuff all of the lights down in there, including the little switch for it, but I have a little tip for you in case you do want to add fairy lights. So if you plan on adding the fairy lights in the jar, I would suggest pulling the cord out through the backside and then having this kind of hidden on the backside somewhere. Like if you have this against your wall on like a shelf or something, you can kind of hide it back behind it. So then that way you can easily turn the light on and off instead of having to take everything out to turn this off every night. So just a little suggestion if you do plan on using the little fairy lights. So I had this little like grass type stuff. I don't remember what it was called, y'all, honestly. I don't know where the packaging is for this, but I believe I got it from Dollar Tree. To me, I thought it was a cute little Easter touch for it, especially for adding little bunnies or little eggs in it. So first up, I'm doing the little bunnies that I got from Walmart. I thought it was really cute to have the little bunny inside just peeking through, but I do think the dark green kind of threw it off a little bit. But it was still a really cute option. Let me know what y'all think in the comments on this one. Next up, we're going to try the little speckled eggs. I also got these eggs from Walmart. I think they were super cute. They give more of a light and bright feel, which reminds me more of spring and Easter. I really love going for like pastel colors, and I think it ties in really well with the flowers around the border of it as well. So just a really cute and simple little spring craft that you can make using a pickle jar, some dry pressed flowers, and some cute little eggs or whatever you want to put inside of it to make for a cute spring decor item. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of it, and thank you so much for watching.